everybody. We are Smart Sleep. This is Carmen, Priya, and I'm Jill. And so our challenge for this weekend was to use the Internet of Things with the Intel Edison device to promote sustainable cities, which got us to thinking about the kind of environmental impact we're having in our own daily lives. And that led us to some pretty scary research here. 25 billion styrofoam disposable cups get thrown away every single year. And just in Starbucks alone, that's 4 billion cups that are just thrown away, which is about 11 million every single day. And that leads to all these cups being thrown away and just rotting away in the landfills, which is a pretty catastrophic environmental impact from something small that we're doing every single day. And this problem hasn't gone unnoticed. There's a couple different approaches to this problem. There's a company called Vessel that it's a for-profit company that has a cup for monitoring fluid usage or for fluid consumption. And then there's also a German coffee shop network that has reusable to-go cups. But we took a little different approach here. We wanted to reduce waste by empowering people to make earth-friendly decisions on their own. And we would do this by tracking waste reduction and fluid consumption using our Smart Sleep device. And we had three different takes on this. We wanted to promote adoption of environmentally friendly behavior with users with gamification and social media, promote companies support environmental business practices by using loyalty points and incentives and savings, and then we would also promote city pride and competition with our city leaderboard. And so to demo this product, I'm going to hand it over to Priya.
Thanks, Jill. So here we have the cup, and which is connected to the Edison board. So as someone pours in coffee, as someone goes to the coffee shop and then gives it to the barista, and then they put the coffee in, then we start the pour, and then the temperature. And this button is then used to sense that the coffee is put in, and this would detect that the value has been, all the logistics have been added to the phone and the dashboard. You see the dashboard up. We have the loyalty points, the water consumption, the garbage saved, all of this, the temperature that has been given. We also have the LCD. As the consumer purchases the coffee, it is detecting the temperature and it tells them that they've saved a turtle. We also implemented a message, a text message that goes to the user, and then they get a cute turtle that they saved. We try to implement badges, so on and so forth. We have the technology that we used is the Intel Edison board. We use sensors, we use the buzzer, the LCD screen, temperature sensors, and the volume. We used MQTT protocol for the low sun dashboard that Carmen showed, Twilio for the messaging, and then we used the Facebook app for badges and incentives to the consumer.
Yeah, so we actually have encouraging messages sent to our LED screen, LCD screen, and then our phone as well, saying that we're being environmentally friendly.
So you did actually implement the Facebook piece?
Well, we started to, we were going to use the Facebook API, we made an application, and then we ran out of time.
Okay.
So the idea is that we would use the API for these fitness trackers as well to monitor fluid consumption, perhaps in the future caffeine intake, caloric intake, and then our dashboard would look pretty like this. This is the Fit dashboard, but it would show tons of garbage saved, Earth Love points, loyalty points, water consumed. Then we'd have a city leaderboard, so Portland, of course, would be number 1, then Seattle, San Francisco. Encourage some friendly competition with our city pride. We'd have gamification badges, cute little, Facebook badges like you saved a turtle, you saved 300 pounds of garbage, you made an oil tycoon cry. And then we got community loyalty programs to promote environmental business practices.
Okay, so I know you guys are running out of time. Did you actually get that to work, or did you have to hit a button for that to trigger in the sensor?
No. The button is to indicate the volume, whether it is 12, 16, or 18 ounce. So the button was telling the barista that it's 12 ounce. And then the buzzer is just to tell the user that the data has been uploaded, you will now get a message.
So in the
It was
future,
done for
Okay, so it
user-
did work.
It did work.
Okay.
Yes, it
the
worked.
temperature sensor's in there, and then we were trying to fake the water fluid growth sensor.
Got it, okay.
With the
That's why
button.
we use the button.
Okay.
To
Because we
indicate
didn't have the fluid sensor.
12 or
Awesome.
16 ounces, etc. Future prospects would be able to make an entire environmentally friendly behavior dashboard that would have stuff like your composting information, the amount of garbage saved from landfills from using plastic bags, instead of using plastic bags, but using reusable bags.
Cool.
And then, reporting analytics and
Yep.
and to-go boxes. Sorry.
Thank you.
It's a race. They'd be very
I know.
fashionable and cute, I promise.
Thank
Any
you.
questions?
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you so much. Let's see.